I went online and I found this iPhone 16e, which looks like iPhone 10. 6 years ago, iPhone 10 was pretty cool. These days, not really. Well, that notch is coming back. Why? That is the question. Money, I guess. Learn more. Oh yeah, latest and greatest. One camera, so only main lens and telephoto, I guess. 600 euros. Sorry, pounds, not euros, pounds. British pounds, because I'm on the UK side. Wow, that is a lot of money for such an old-looking device. Of course, it will have the latest chip, but on the front it looks outdated, hard. Oh yeah, that smile face. Oh yeah, exactly. Well, if we scroll down, apologize, and compare to the iPhone 16, then we'll see that has one core less. Camera control is not available. 2-in-1 camera and a little less battery life. So, you see, with that price, you could have something better, like Xiaomi 15 Pro, which is outstanding phone. Better in every way. Of course, it's an Android, not an iPhone. Yeah? But besides that, besides software, it's better in every way. Battery, camera, screen, build quality, everything. Literally everything. For £610. Link in the description for you. Or if you don't want to spend 600 bits, it was a huge phone, you can buy a small phone, tiny phone for 527. I'm using this as a daily Xiaomi 15, and it's amazing. I love it. And if you don't like Xiaomi, there are many more on TridentZ: OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, and more. Redmi, Motorola, Honor. There's even a Samsung, I guess. All right. Many. So, link in the description for you. And I'm going to buy it. And I don't know. I have to think about it because it's a lot of money. And price to performance is basically null. See you next video. Bye.